Welcome to Eco-Logic Permaculture and Landscape Design, transforming yards into sustainable ecosystems since 2004 nationwide. Today, we're exploring water-efficient landscaping. Are you tired of high water bills, endless maintenance, or an unusable backyard? Well, this video shares 3 homeowner problems water-efficient permaculture solves, and how to start with a free strategy session. Your yard shouldn't be a burden. It should work with nature. Here are 3 problems and how I fix them. Problem 1, high water bills. Traditional lawns use up to 50% of household water, costing hundreds yearly. Water-efficient permaculture uses native plants, xeriscaping, and ancient irrigation or rain gardens to cut water use by up to 60% and actually 90% in some cases, saving money and the planet. I replace thirsty lawns with drought-tolerant plants and capture rainwater naturally. Problem 2. High maintenance costs. Mowing, weeding, and fertilizing are costly and time-consuming, not to mention degenerative, meaning that they lower the quality and the health of your landscape over time. Homeowners spend thousands annually on just lawn care alone. Permaculture designs self-maintaining landscapes with various techniques, including mulch, ground covers, and perennials. A food forest with edible plants enriches soil naturally and sets up communities of plants that take care of each other, saving you hours and dollars on enjoying your yard. Problem 3, uninspiring outdoor spaces. Many yards are boring and impractical. You deserve a space for relaxing or growing food. Water-efficient permaculture creates functional oases with shade trees, edible landscapes, and permeable pavers, among other things. Picture a lush backyard with a rainwater-fed herb garden or fresh berries for breakfast that you can eat on a beautiful patio. Ready to transform your yard? Eco-Logic combines permaculture and landscape architecture for sustainable, low-maintenance spaces that improve your property value and reduce overall costs. Start for free at ecologiclandscape.com/free-strategy. Book a free strategy session to get a custom plan for your sustainable yard started at no obligation. Click the link in the description now to solve high bills, maintenance, and a boring yard. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Eco-Logic channel now for more sustainable landscaping tips and hit the bell for updates. Got a yard question? Comment below. I read every one. Let's grow a greener future together.